What's up guys, my name is Junicio Jr. from Our Lady of Fatima University, taking off Bachelor of Science in International Hospitality Management, specialized in Hotel Administration in Cruise Line Operation. On this video, I'm going to share some COVID facts such as signs and symptoms, the precautionary measures, and what are the risks and the penalties such as also the consequences of the food establishment for non-complying of these precautionary measures on their establishment. So basically, the COVID-19 has three symptoms. So these are the most common symptoms and the less common symptoms, and lastly is the severe symptoms. So let's talk about first the most common symptoms. So the most common symptoms are the fever, dry cough, tiredness. So the less common symptoms are the following. So the aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, and a rash on skin or a discoloration of fingers. So the serious symptoms are, there is three serious symptoms that you should be aware of. So what are these? So difficult breathing or shortness of breath, and chest pain or pressure on your chest, and then loss of speech or movement. So this is my 7 tips to avoid or to prevent the transmission of COVID-19. So basically, the most common precautionary measure is wash your hands thoroughly and use a hand sanitizer or alcohol-based hand rub. And then the second one is, maintain at least 1 meter distance, and also a physical distancing is required here. And then avoid touching your face, especially your eyes, and cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing, and stay at home if you feel unwell, and refrain from smoking or any activities that weaken your lungs. And then avoid unnecessary travel or stay away from a large groups of people. It is important for us to follow this, some social distancing and those self-protective measures. Why? Because it can save lives, and basically it can lessen or diminish the transmission of the COVID-19. In addition, in the protective measures, wearing a face mask is essential. Social and physical distancing measures aim to slow the spread of disease by stopping chain of transmission of COVID-19 and preventing new ones from appearing. So this can be reduced the active cases and can reduce the contact with the contaminated surface. COVID-19 have been slowed down the economic growth of each country, and most of the people are in chaos because of the pandemic. Most especially during this pandemic, the entire restaurant and the other business has been forcefully ceased the operation of the restaurant or the food establishment. The importance of deep cleaning and sanitizing is not limited only in providing a decent and safe ambience for our customers and employees, but also to educate people about the essence of personal hygiene during this pandemic. Here are the risk factors, the penalties, and the consequences that the food establishment may face if they are non-compliant with the standards. That's all guys, thanks for watching, and